Now let's take a look of the example 11.15. Okay, this question quite difficult. Okay, make sure that you do it by yourself. Okay, so then come back to watch the video, okay, to make sure that you understand what's going on and then how to do it. So let's read the question together. So urn A contains 2 red balls and then 4 blue balls. So what we need to do is let's draw it down. Okay, so 2 red, then we have 4 blue, okay, in urn A. Then urn B we will contain 3 reds, okay, then no more blue, okay, 0 blue. So we might down 3 red, then 0 blue, right? So now take a look of this, what's going on here, okay, what we need to do. So they're talking about that a ball is drawn randomly from urn A, then put into the urn B. So that means the numbers of the urn B will be increased, right? It's no more 3 red, 0 blue. If I take out the red ball, put it in, it will become 1 blue. If I take out the red ball, put it in, okay, it will have become 4 red. So the condition will be changed, right? So we can't just directly write down, oh, it's 3 red. So we need to consider different condition, okay? After you take out 1 ball in, then that means you still have the third step. Then a ball is drawn at random from urn B. So that means, okay, I put 1 ball in. Then I also need to take out one of the ball out, okay? So find the probability of the ABC. So why not let's try to draw the trigger diagram first, okay? To give yourself a clear image what's going on, okay? So now think about it. Consider the condition. If I got 2 red, 4 ball, what if I draw a red ball out? So that means, okay, this red ball come to the urn B here. Okay, so what is going on? You will have 4 red, right? So you will have 4 reds. Do you have blue? No, you don't have blue because you draw out the red ball again. So what is the probability of draw out the red ball? It will be 2 out of 6. Got it? Then don't forget the question told you that I will still draw a ball out from here. So 4 of them are all red. So no matter how many ball you draw, it still be a red ball, right? So that means you still draw a red ball out. So what is the probability of draw 1 red ball from 4 red ball? It will be 4 out of 4 because all of them are red. Okay, you don't have other choice. So 100% you will draw a red ball. Okay, so after you drawing, the container in urn B will be 3 red ball left, right? Because you already draw 1 red ball out, so you have 3 red ball left. So you have that 3 red, then 0 blue. Okay, got it? So, but the point is, who say that you can only draw red ball? What if I draw the blue ball? Okay, so what is the probability of if I draw out the blue? It will be 4 out of 6. So if you draw the blue ball out, okay, so what will be happen? So no more blue will happen here. So what remaining will be, you will have 1 blue, then 3 reds. Okay, then from here I can also take out something, right? So second choice is this time I also draw out a red ball. Okay, a red ball come out, so you only got 2 red ball left, then 1 blue ball left because you draw out the red ball. Can you see that? Second time. So remaining here you will have 2 red, then 1 blue. If you take out the red, so what is the probability of you take out the red? It will be 3 out of 4 because total you got 4 ball and then you take out the red. Okay, so beside that we can also take out the blue. Okay, who say that we must pick out this one? We can take out the blue one, this one, take it out. So remaining will be what? Remaining, that means you have 3 red left. Okay, right? So we'll mark it down first. If you take out the blue, 0 blue here, then you will have 3 red left. So what is the probability of you take out a blue? It will be 1 out of 3. See? Okay, some student may ask, Miss Poon, why not this time here take out the blue? Is it possible to take out the blue? No. If this is not possible, it will be 0 probability. Impossible. Okay, then remaining still the same, 3 red, 0 blue. Okay, so actually this is impossible happen. Okay, got it? So after you have drawn this tree diagram, now let's take a look of the A part answer. A part say that I want to find the probability of what? I want to find the probability of there is a blue ball, okay, in urn B, okay, after 2 draws. So this is your first draw, this is your second draw, then I need a blue ball here, okay. This is the requirement they ask you. Okay, so remaining, this is your third one, okay, after drawing second draw, right? So let's take a look of this. A blue ball in urn B. So where is the blue ball? Only this one. Can you see that? Other choice is 0 ball, 0 blue. It's not possible. So only one of them is possible. So what is the probability? Is 2 red. The probability of this one will look like that. You are passing through, take out the blue, then take out the red. Can you see that? The routine will be, if I take out first one is blue and second one is red, so it will be possible, okay. So using the formula we have learned, if something and something, we can separate it with first one is blue and that means times second one is red. But are you sure second one is red? Directly write down. Remember, the second one is depending on the first one, so we need to use given that the first one is blue, okay. So this is the condition you need to consider. So what is the first one is blue here? Can you see that? 4 out of 6. Then what is the second one is red? Based on the first one is blue, is 3 out of 4, okay. So the answer is 1/2. Okay, so I know that it's quite difficult in conditional probability. Don't worry, this is the most difficult part in the probability, okay. If you can overcome this, then nothing will be difficult for you, okay. So this is the A part. Got it? After you've finished the A part, let's take a look of the B part, okay. So let's take a look of the B part. B part here, we do it here, okay. Okay, so B part, I want to find what? I want to find the probability of all the ball in urn B are red, okay. That means all ball are red, okay. So take a look of this one. Which one is all ball are red? Okay, so 3 red, all ball are red, all ball are red. You have 2 cases, right? So you can see that either one. Remember, we are talking about either or is mean plus, okay. Don't forget it. So very long formula. If all ball are red, we need to consider either first one taking out is red, first red, and second is red, okay. Can you see that the train here? First red, second is red, okay. Or mean plus, okay. Or what? We still have another choice, okay. First blue, second is blue again, okay. So we will have the first blue and second is blue, okay. So again, if you are doing and, we need to separate it. That means the first one is red times the second one is red. But don't forget, the second one is red will be affected by if you take out the first one is red, okay. This is conditional, okay. Then we will have second choice, the plus, okay. Again, same step. First one is blue, then and mean times, okay, times the second one is blue, and given the condition, first one is blue, okay. Very difficult, right? If you draw the tree diagram, it will be more easy. You just times, okay. But if you using the formula, it will be more difficult, okay. So it's up to you. Most likely, I would like to draw the tree diagram or draw the table to counting by ourselves, okay. First one is red. Take a look of this one, okay. We will have, can you see that here? First one is red, second one is red. So you will have 2 out of 6 times 4 out of 4. Then plus, okay, plus second is blue. First one is blue, second one is blue, okay? So we'll have 4 out of 6 times 1 out of, oh sorry, it's not 1 out of 3. It should be 1 out of 4 because total we got 4 ball here, okay? 1 out of 4. Okay, got it? So your total answer will equal to 1 out of 2. Okay, got it? So this is the B part answer. Okay, so if you don't understand, ask your subject teacher, join the intervention session, or repeat watching the video. Okay, so this is the B part answer. After you've done it, now let's take a look of the C. Okay, we still have one more question haven't finished. Okay, so let's do the C part here. C part. Okay, C part. So now take a look of the C part. C part say that the ball draw from the urn B is red. So now take a look of that. Ball draw from the urn B is red. Which one? So, okay. Here is mean ball draw from urn B is red. Can you see that red line? So we need to find out the prefix. Ball draw from urn B is red. So we need to consider the prefix. So you also have two choice, 1 and 2. Okay. This time I don't write down so many formula, just directly using the probability we have. Okay. So probability of the ball draw from urn B is red. Okay, so the probability will be, can you see that you have two choice? Two choice mean either or mean plus. Okay, so let's take a look of the first one will be 2 out of 6 times 4 over 4. Then second is 4 out of 6 times 3 out of 4. Okay, so your answer will be 5 out of 6. Got it? So conditional probability really difficult, but don't think that it's very difficult. You can use tree diagram or table to help yourself, okay, to draw the pathway, and then let yourself be more easy to do the calculation. Okay, so after that, please do the quick practice. Then later on we will have a video showing the solution of the quick practice. Okay, do more practice. Math, we really need practice. Practice make perfect. Okay.